What's going on, everyone? Back here, well, in my garage right now, getting ready to head out to Creek for the third week of Thursday Night Race League. Today's race is on Indy. It is the annual Independence Day race. So also happy 4th of July, everyone. But yeah, so flow trail this week, which is nice, but it is, let me check the exact temperature, 98 degrees out, feels like 105. So it's going to be dusty, I imagine, and yeah, it's gonna suck. So my plan is to do 3 runs, hopefully, just get there, do a warm-up, do my 2 race runs, and get the hell out of there. So last week was Twist, really not my trail. This one I'm hoping to do, Jesus, forgot how to put air in my tire. Hoping to do a bit better on compared to last week. So yeah, last week I was second to last place. Hopefully this time I can at least top a few people. Gonna be running relatively low tire pressure here since it's gonna be dry and dusty out, I imagine. Do 20-22. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys on the mountain. All right, guys, so I just took my warm-up lap, got to the bottom and realized my lens cover was still on. So warm-up lap already happened. Which way you guys going? Oh, sorry. So my warm-up lap was not the greatest, but I was talking about how I've been having some issues on berms lately, where I think I've just been like kind of passively riding, not really thinking about my riding, but just kind of turning my brain off. And what I noticed last week was I was doing a lot of target fixation. I was looking at the top of the berms and not the exits. And B, I was sticking my knee out, but I wasn't leaning my bike into it. So I caught myself doing that on my warm-up run on Indy. Definitely fixed my target fixation issue, but still was kind of not doing great on the whole leaning the bike in. So we're gonna do our first race run here. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, already feeling much better on this run. So, oh yeah, we're just riding a lot better now. I was all over the first place that first run, so maybe, yep, see, target fixation. Wasn't looking through the berm. Whew. Gonna have to just keep saying it out loud during my race run to really just reinforce it. Oh my, what am I doing? Maybe I shouldn't be talking during the run. You guys all right?
Yeah, first time out. So
oh yeah, I get it.
Doing in the rope.
Have a good one.
Thanks, man. You too.
Love to see it. That kid's gonna be way better than me in like 3 years, I'm sure. Broms always are. Hell, 3 years might be overestimated. yellow berm. Jesus.
All right. Oh, am I all set to go? Yep.
You're ready.
All right. Not the greatest start. All right, that felt decent, but not great. I think definitely could have shaved some time in the beginning there. I wasn't doing a great job at looking through the turns, but we got one more run left, so let's see what time we got. All right, so I decided I'm gonna take one more full lap down before I do my second race run. I'm gonna do a breakout, and I'm gonna do a Domboo, just to get a little bit more practice on the berms. Come back up, do my last race run, get out of here. Oh my God, not sure what I'm doing. That was terrifying. Felt pretty good on the berms there. Oh, also, let me get through that before I start talking again. Looked at my time for my first run, was 42 seconds, which is not good. I think there's only 2 other people at the time who had their time in, and they were both floating around like 34. So take another look, see where people are at the bottom of this run. But at this moment, not looking great for me. Oh man. Oh, I'm so tired. definitely got to get my race run in after this. So I'm just like, getting tired. Ooh, rim dinger. Good?
Yeah.
All right, I checked my time and I was still in last place out of like 6 people, but at least it's not by much this time. I think the guy who was one above me was only beating me by 0.3 seconds, so I am optimistic that we can hopefully do better on the second run here. And man, it'd be really cool if I could at least get like a few spots from last. If I could beat like 3 people, that'd be dope. I definitely didn't do my entry that great. Really cut speed before that little shark fin and the whoops. So I think just coming in with more speed, less braking on those first 2 berms will do really well for me. I don't want to do a lower dom right now, so we're just gonna go deviant and cut through to Sally right before potato chip. Another thing I think, fortunately I can't really test any of these theories, but I wonder if I stay lower on the table halfway through Indy, maybe that will help me out too. I mean, I already feel like I carry good speed into those next few berms after that, but if I just pop less and try to stay low, I might be able to shave some time off. All right, let me get moving. Yikes. Oh, this is sloppy. Wow, this is real sloppy. Good thing the race isn't on salvation. Ooh, I pumped that real good though. That was pretty nice. I just cut too much speed in the beginning. Legs wide, look through the turn. Lean bike into that knee. Ooh, got fucking blinded there for a second. Nothing bad, just sit down for a second. So, entrance, I gotta try to carry more speed through those first few berms. Then I also think I cut a good amount of speed coming up to the shark fin at the very end. I could have hit that a bit faster. I'm just afraid of getting too sideways, I guess, right before it. Like I'm not gonna straighten myself out in the air or something, but I'm sure I would have been fine. I just gotta trust. You know what, let's just go straight through here. Like I said, we're gonna go lower Greenhorn here. Yeah, this just has a couple more turns. Just get a little bit more practice on. Oh no. It's like oh, I almost lost. Oh man, that might have been worse. I started at the top of a berm there. Oh, that's really disappointing, man. Take a look and see though. I don't know, I felt faster in some parts, slower in others. Alright guys, I just pulled up in the driveway, back home. Got some Taco Bell, got some beers. Don't know if I earned them. It is 7:06, so all of the times, all of the results should be final now. Take a look and see how we did here. I guess before I look, yeah, that second run, I definitely think I got the first berm better. I slowed down a lot for the second one, probably the same as first run. Then I felt faster for a while, but then I almost went over that one berm, and I think that kind of just killed it. So I'm not expecting it to be much different than the first run. It might even be a little bit slower for all I know. But let's take a look here. 44.7, we finished 7th out of 8, which really not a lot of people racing today, which I guess makes sense. It is like 100 degrees out, but we managed to do, what was that, 1.5 seconds quicker on that second run. So not last place, but still would have liked to have been a little bit higher up. So it's a little disappointing, but I will say riding these races just in general has been really getting me like much more in the mindset of what I could be doing to ride better. So, you know, just this run or this race, I was thinking a lot about, you know, actually looking through the berms, leaning the bike, and even just like on that second run, my stance, just, you know, kind of having my head down lower and being more forward on the bike. So definitely recommend, if you're ever thinking about doing these races, definitely recommend it. It's going to make you a better rider. But hopefully we can do better next week, guys.